Alright folks, it's May 30th, 2020 at 4:15 in the morning, AM, here in Cape Breton, Nova Scotia. And sun is getting ready to rise, aka light provider. And I don't know why I woke up. I was asleep pretty comfortably. I woke up and just happened to look out the window and I seen all this shit. And we know what this shit is, right? Cam haze and everything else. I know it's going to be hard to see it, folks, but it's there. Believe it or not, it's there. Why I'm doing a video at 4:15 in the morning, I don't know. I really don't know, but it's here. And if we think about this really well, okay guys, I really want to point this out because, well, it's a lamp post. That telephone pole is due north. Okay, now like I said many videos ago, I've taken my Ranger compass and figured all this out. That telephone pole is due east. Now, May 30th, should the sun be coming up like between east and north, like northeast, like as far as I can tell, this light provider is going to come up over in here, literally, but it really should be coming up over here somewhere. So that's a pretty goddamn distance. If anybody else can, let me know what your heading bearing number, longitude and latitude number would be on a compass, if you know how to use one. I'd love to have that information because I can triangulate where and how many degrees the light provider is off on its rising and setting. I'm just interested. I'd like to figure that out. So with some help out there, if I can get it, would be awesome. So with that, guys, enjoyed making this video for you, even though it's an early one. Thank you for subscribing, clicking that notification icon. Always the awesome comments. Much love from the Cape. #no fear. And I'm out. Much love, guys. Much love.